Hey Olaf. You look so cute in your new PJs. Let me see you. Are you ready to make some pancakes? Or
Yeah.
waffles, I mean?
Yeah.
Look, it says caution hot, so don't touch it, okay? Alright, ready? So we're gonna crack one egg, okay? Put that in the bowl. This is a cup, so hold that. Put this down, okay? Hold that, and we'll do it over the thing. Wait. Okay. There you go. Dump it in there. Okay. Now we're gonna and let's pour it in there. About a half right there. Okay, so we're done with those two. Okay, now we gotta get some water, so get this one. And we'll get some water right now. We'll get some water.
Where?
Right there.
Where's it? And then do this.
Okay.
Have a water.
This is 1/3, and now we need 2/3, so we need one more, okay?
Wait till you see that all.
Can't wait to see it? Okay, so we need 3 of these, okay? So this is 1. Okay, dump it. Thank you. Okay. Wait. And this is 2. And this is 3. Okay. So we're done with all our measurements, okay? Alright, now it's your turn. You're gonna mix it all up. There you go. Let's pull your sleeves up a little bit. There you go. Good job. Okay, you want Daddy to do it?
No.
No?
No.
I'll help you a little bit. So you get it mixed up good. Uh-oh.
It's so yummy.
Is it? Oh, keep it in the bowl though, and keep whisking it. You got to get it so it's not clumpy. It's real smooth. Okay? Let me see. Not my head. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Alright. Excuse me. Let's see.
Actually did a bad job on this. Look at his hand. It's messed up. Oh shoot. I did his hand messed up.
Okay, that's good. Let me get this guy real quick. Okay, now do his other hand. But just put it in there and squeeze it. There you go.
You're doing a good job now.
Okay.
Now we gotta fix ours.
Alright, let me see.
You have to fix it a little bit. Look at
No,
that
it's okay.
pepper.
It's fine like that.
Look at the bad job.
Okay, ready?
No.
And we'll close it and we'll wait 3 minutes. Ready? Okay, lift it up. Let's see how it looks like. Boom. Alright, let me flip it out real quick. And then you can just cut off the sides. Hold this. Right there. Maybe we could do a little bit. Oh no, it's good. It's
Look at my messed up
nice and brown.
Look at my messed up hand.
Yeah, but then
Look at my messed up hand.
you just cut it out like a puzzle.
Yeah, put
Put it in his holes.
Yeah, holes. Yeah, holes.
What about his mouth?
Yeah.
His mouth?
Yeah, he looks so. It's like
There you go. And then you can dip his hands in his things and then take a bite.
Good.
Good?
I like the best my feet.
Alright, it's taking too long. I'm gonna have to step in.
It's hard.
Why is it stuck again? Oh no.
Yeah, powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar? I don't know. We might. Just flip it out. It's you don't have to dig in there, just flip it out.
That burnt the heck out of me, shoot.
Okay, there you go. There's that. And there you go. Cool.
Y'all want to eat my body? That was not okay. That's for sure. Want to eat this?
Told you, let me do it.
Want to eat more of this?
Okay, let me see.
No. I don't want no syrup, but Daddy? Daddy?
Let me.
Challenge?
Boom.
More cream Ew.
Can I do a challenge real quick?
Oh.
Man, you're eating good, Joe. Here. So what do you guys think? Cool?
Yeah.
Perfect? I just wish it came with we got this little one, but I wish it came with like 2 of these so you could fill it up quicker. But it's easy.
Yeah, it's super easy.
Easy to clean too. It's not dirty or nothing like that. Maybe if you burnt it, but I just need to wipe it down and put it away. So that's pretty good. 3. Let's put a bunch in there. That looks like enough. Okay, mix it. Ready? Are you ready?
Yep.
Take this hand and touch this. Okay, grab it. Lift it up. Oh, where did Olaf go? Oh, he's up there. Looks done. Okay, watch your hands, okay? Okay. Look at it. Why is it up there? It's supposed to be down there. That's crazy, huh? Okay, let me get it for you. Alright, open it up. Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, Gio. Look, Gio. It got stuck on the top.
Did you?
Hold this.
No. Sure.
Did you die, Gio?
No.
Oh.
We didn't die.
There you go.
Ooh.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lift it up and see.
Victory Royale! We haven't done that in a while.
Daddy, we got
Boom.
Victory out.
I can hear.
Headshot.
We got Victory out.
Let's see what you guys are creating.
That's what I created. Oh, that's what I did.
Okay, you guys need some syrup.
Joe.
Ja, what you got there, dude? You want a fork? Huh? You want a fork?
Ready?
You gotta shake it up. I think it's running out anyways. Put the syrup on it, guys. Yeah, I don't think it's done, Gio. Good?
It's like chocolate.
You guys like it better with the chocolate chips or just regular?
No, I just like it with the chocolate chips.
Let me see, you got it all in your hair too. Go. Johnny first.
Me first? No, Joe.
Okay, Gio, go. No, you have to throw it up and then smack it.
Joe. Boom.
Throw it up and then smack. Yeah. Oh.
How did you do that?
Okay, go.
Oh!
Oh, close. Close.
That was bad.
All right, my turn. Here. Switch it up.
Okay.
Switch it up. Let's
Yeah,
see.
do it.
Wait, no, I do it. I
Okay,
do it
guys,
with
my
leg.
dad is gonna do it
Bro?
now.
Yeah. Let's see how big I can do it. It's pretty big, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I would.
My dad
Yeah, I would do it
did
this way, right?
Ready? My dad's
Ready?
gonna do it. Yeah,
One,
that's good.
2, 3.
Oh! That
Look at me.
exploded.
Ready? Ah!